Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's videos, I just want to share with you some gift inspirations for V-Days. And also I have a really special unboxing to do. This is one of the items that I have been eyeing for a while, and finally I got it for myself for this special V-Day. So if you're looking for something, inspiration and gift, then please continue watching. So this is something I picked up from my local boutique, and it's a big box. This time my LV SA, she's include a really nice, I don't know, when I first saw it, I didn't even know what it is, because this is really nice. It's in a big envelope like this. And it turned out she sent me one of the LV book, and it's the number 14. So I am totally new to this. I haven't read it yet, but I think this is a really good book, and I will find some time to go through with it. But I just really like this envelope holder. It's just looking so nice. The material is quite thick. I think it's the same material that they have for the shopping bag. And inside is my V-Day gift. Alright. She also includes several perfume sample for me to try on. She gives this to me every time I purchase something, and I have tons of LV sample. So like the whole year last year, I didn't buy any new sample. I didn't buy any new LV perfumes because I just keep on using all the sample, and I still have plenty to go to. They're really nice. Some of them I just never tried on before. Like this one is like on the beach. This one is California Dreams. This one I got is called at Drape Reefs. I don't know, I can't say it. Leisure Rose Event. So these are the one that I already have. And also Symphony is the new one. So I have 6 scents to go to this time. 3 of them is something that I already purchased. Highly recommend. And the other 3 I haven't tried, so I will try them out. Let's go to the unboxing. Yay. So this is the box, the magical box. Browsing through LV website looking for inspirations on gift, and there are several different items that I really liked, and I text my LVSA. Hopefully that she have some of it in stock for me, and she does have something really nice in stock. So I saw this one online, and I really liked the color. It is a soft powdery pink. It's just so cute, and the materials is really nice. I haven't owned anything with this material before. I am more into the silk scarf, and this is the first time I purchased something like this, mainly because of the colors. So when I saw the colors, I was like, it's totally me. It's pink and white. And this so the outside is like the powdery pink and then white flowers, and then the inside is white colors and then pink flowers, so I can actually wear this on both sides, and it's just so beautiful in person. I went in, I tried on, and I was like, I am taking it. So this is quite long and nice and warm, and I wear a lot of scarf in the winter time here in Chicago. It just feels so good. So beautiful. Again, I just love the colors, and the price on this baby is $600 something. It's a lot cheaper than most of the others scarf that they have. I don't know the difference between all of them, but some of them could be up to like $1,000, but this one's only $620, I think. And I just love the materials. It's just really soft, and the color just so cute. It melts my heart the moment I see it, and I was like, I am taking it. This will be like absolutely perfect for the V-Day gift. So for the V-Days or Mother's Day or birthday, it doesn't matter what day, your special someone that's gonna need some gift, like some really nice gift from you, and nothing is better than LV gift. I have browsing the LV website from time to time, and I have decided that their fashion jewelry is one of the best fashion jewelry out there. I have purchased fashion jewelry from a lot of different brands, and I am totally in love with LV fashion jewelry. I think they have the highest quality. Some of them I have been using for over a year now, especially this necklace. I'm wearing them pretty much every day for the past a year and a half, I think. I think I got this for Mother's Day a year or a year and a half ago. I can't remember, but I do have an unboxing video for it. So I wear it pretty much every day, and it's still looking really good. The color is still fine. Of course, there is a little bit, the side wear and tear, because sometimes I took it up and throw it around. So there's some scratch on it, but beside the scratching, it doesn't change color, and the clasps are perfectly fine. So I like it a lot, and I decide that I prefer to spend my money on LV fashion jewelry. I did purchase something from other brands, like I got something from Christian Dior. I got a bracelet from them, and for over a year I found that some of the parts on that bracelet is like turning colors, or sometimes when I try out Chanel's fashion jewelry, they're super pricey, but then the way that I don't know, the quality is really bad for most of the pieces. I like Chanel fashion jewelry too, but I only purchased the piece that have like really high craftsmanship. Otherwise, the price is really high and the quality is nowhere match. But I think LV fashion jewelry is really reasonable in the price. I like tons of things from them, so I went to the store. I tried out some necklaces that are super cute, and they are way under $1,000. If you're looking for something that's really special, that's cute, have meaning, and very classy, or luxury, then I think you should go for LV fashion jewelry. So besides scarf and fashion jewelries, I also very highly recommend LV Perfume. So they have tons and tons of scents. Maybe you have to go in and try them out yourself to understand what I'm talking about, but I have been using their perfumes from time to time. I have owned 6 or 7 different scents from their collections up until now. it's lasting all day, and even sometime like when I spray it on the scarf and a couple weeks later I can still smell it from the scarf, and I just love that. Also their packaging is really nice. I bought the whole set of the Perfume on the go, and I just love how beautiful they are. Put it into the gift, and they have the on the go special bottles, and that is just so beautiful. And also I highly recommend them because like I said from the beginning of the videos, every time I purchase something, my essay always include tons of the sample for me to try on. So that's how I pick out what I like and purchase the full size item. So I really like it, and I think I like it more than most of the other perfumes out there in the market. I try I was planning on purchase something from MS, so I went to the store. I tried out tons of their perfumes, and I didn't like anything. In the end, I decided I'm not purchasing anything from MS, but I think I should give it a chance and go back to it because at that time I didn't even but yes, I just want to share with you, if you're looking for something that really nice and way under $500, then go for LV perfumes. They are packaging really beautifully, so I think this special someone gonna be so happy receive something so luxurious from LV. So when it's come to luxury gift, I decided there are 3 categories that I will go into when it's come to you know, the special days for special someone. I believe scarf, fashion jewelries, and perfumes from LV have made it to my highly recommended gift category that's way under $1,000. So if the special days coming up for your special someone, consider looking into this 3 category of gift from LV. So that's it for the video today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to be able to see you guys back on my next video. Thank you so much, and happy Valentine. Mwah.